How to get Pictory coupon code. To get the best Pictory AI coupon code, this video is for you. There are several active coupon codes available for Pictory AI, offering you significant savings. To get that, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Pictory. From there, go through the official website of the Pictory. Here you can also get the free trial. Simply hit on the free trial, which is on the top right corner. Then after adding the card details, you will get 1 month free trial on Pictory. But if you want to get more plans, then simply hit on the pricing, which is on the top section. Once you go through the pricing, you will see various Pictory plans, which include features like automatic captioning, text-to-text video creation, access to millions of royalty-free clips. You can either choose monthly billing or yearly billing. The most popular one is professional one, where you can get 1 month for $49 with various features. You have to simply hit on the buy now, then your payment process will be begin, and then you'll get this Pictory AI plans. If you select yearly plan, then you can save even more with discounts of up to 24% off. In this way, you can get best Pictory AI coupon codes. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.